super technical subject today. Let's talk about it. The randomness of the initial results. I think that this is a very important thing to understand in order for you to calibrate more your mind in a technical level of how you should treat your ads and how you should optimize them. We know that Facebook is working like this. We talked about this several times, that it's finding one sale or one conversion event and then it's finding a similar person to that, a similar person to the other two before, a similar person to the other three before, and so on. For me, the most important thing to understand is this, that the initial results are going to be random and it's going to be how lucky you are or whatever. Of course, the more your pixel is trained, this is the importance of the pixel, the initial results are going to be helped more in order to get them. But if your pixel is not trained, and this is a discussion about having a new ad account with a new pixel, you need to keep trying to get the initial results that are going to help optimize your ad set or your campaign so that it can continue producing results. If you don't have that, and this is why we start our ads the next day at 6 a.m., it's problematic and it's not going to help you optimize. That being said, if you have a strong pixel, that means that your pixel is helping you in the initial results. But also keep in your mind that your Facebook ads are starting to optimize towards the event that you want after you get your first event, your first purchase event. Then it's trying to find similar people to that. But before that, that means that it's optimizing based on the engagement of the ads that you are having. This is why it's also very important, when you know that, what are you doing? If, for example, on the Black Friday period, okay, we knew that the Black Friday is going to be strong. So what did we do? In the previous year, I launched my ads 1 week earlier with a pre-launch of Black Friday. And this is the reason that people are doing it, okay? They don't do it just because they want to start selling earlier. They do it because they know that Friday and Saturday and Monday and Sunday are going to be very strong. So they want to enter these days with data, instead of just going and starting their ads in this day on Friday and then moving to the other days. It's much easier like this because they're building first the data, and then this data is going to help them have a stronger day on Friday and on Cyber Monday and during the weekend. So the randomness of the initial result is very important. This is why we run also the crazy method, and this is how it's working. The crazy method is working with different hot pockets. It's going for the same audience with multiple ad sets targeting the same audience, trying to get the different random sales at the start, which are going to help them continue optimizing. The ones that are going to fail getting the random sales, they are not going to stay with us, we're going to close them. But the ones that they are going to, and this is why we do several of them so that we can have better chances. It's like when you're fishing, to throw several hooks instead of one. And this is what is going to help you optimize. Now that I have analyzed this, I hope that you understand it more, and I hope that it's going to help you expand the way that you think about the optimization of your ads. Don't forget that if you want to learn more about Facebook ads, you can check my book or my free course. And until we meet again, be creative and be consistent.